Hi, I'm Susan Paxton for Expert Village, and we're working on our gift basket. We've put together the gift basket, added all the items, put the cellophane, and to close it in. And now we've got to choose our ribbon. Ribbon comes in all different sizes, all different colors. We have a wide 1.5 inch wide ribbon. We have our 3/4 inch. Some of it's wired, some of it's not. But we're going to try and choose a ribbon for this basket. Now we could choose, we might want purple because we've got just a touch of purple in the basket with the fingernail files. And purple might be really fun to add a little bit of color. We could choose the pink is especially fun because everything in the basket is pink. But choose your ribbon according to your own taste by either what's in the basket or what you think will look nice.